4 big updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and one of them might just be revolutionary. Let's break it down. AI-powered camera. Samsung just dropped 2 more teasers for the Z Fold 7, and the first one is intriguing. While the design leaks already spoiled the hardware, the wording grabs attention. Samsung says the camera will get what you're looking at and respond to situations. But what does that mean? Could this be like Gemini Live, where AI understands your surroundings and talks back? That's already on the S25 Ultra, so not exactly groundbreaking. But what if Samsung's going further? Imagine this: AI baked directly into the camera app. No extra assistant needed. Point at a sign and it translates. Aim at a landmark and it gives details. It's not just a camera, it's a real-time visual assistant. If Samsung nails this, it could blow Gemini Live and Google Lens out of the water. Oh, and that camera? It's rumored to pack a 200-megapixel sensor, the biggest upgrade yet for a Fold, finally matching the S25 Ultra. Next up, Ice Universe claims the Z Fold 7 will debut industry-first tech, saying Samsung is finally getting serious. No details yet, but in an era of incremental updates, a foldable with legit first-ever features? That's huge. Samsung's keeping it under wraps, likely saving the fireworks for Unpacked. Now, the second teaser highlights the Fold 7's insanely slim profile. CAD leaks already hinted at this, but seeing it, it's unreal. At under 4.2 millimeters unfolded, thinner than the Oppo Find N5. It's sleek enough to make foldables or bricks a thing of the past. No hinge bulges, no awkward thickness, just a flawless, foldable flagship. One last tease. Samsung keeps calling this the Ultra phone or Ultra experience. Could this mean a Fold 7 Ultra rebrand? Maybe. Internal docs still say Z Fold 7, but Samsung clearly wants you to see this as their best device yet. Mark your calendars. The official reveal is expected July 9th at Unpacked in New York. Will the hype deliver? We'll soon find out. And if you're into Samsung laptops, check the link below for deals. Plus, hands-on shots of the Watch 8 Classic are live. Click here to see them. Thanks for watching.